Hey guys, I am Gaurangi Chauhan. I am the student of 5th semester BPharm in Arihan School of Pharmacy. Today, I am going to talk about the Sachin Tendulkar. There are so many things that we are learn from Sachin Tendulkar. So here, some lesson or inspiration from Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin sir is born on 24th April 1973. He is a former international cricketer from India and also captain of the Indian national team. He is the only player who scored 100 international centuries, first batsman to score double century in a one-day international, only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. Sachin Tendulkar is a name which inspires billions of people around the world in a country where cricket is revived as a religion. Sachin is regarded as its god. A lot of them are relevant to entrepreneur looking to slog it out for a better future. Let's have a glance. The first thing that we are learn from Sachin sir is never lose sight of your goal. Sachin started out with a goal of lifting the World Cup. He was so heartbroken after 2007 World Cup. He damaged by lifting the trophy at Mumbai. Fairy tales exist in a reality too. The entrepreneur must never lose the sight of a goal. The second thing is learn from Sachin Tendulkar sir is a move out from your comfort zone. It is said that Sachin rarely prepared for the bowler. He prepared for the condition. He continuously exerted himself against the hazard than expected condition. This ensured that he was ready for anything at any time for a match. In an entrepreneur can only grow if they are willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable. The third thing is never give up. Won his maintained test series, Sachin was by a Walker Eunice bouncer on a nose. There was a deep cut which left behind him. He could have stopped playing and taken a breath, but that is no winner's way to doing these things. The fourth thing is there is always scope of improvement. Sachin was the test match as Wankhede. He got out the score of 74. In this career, would think Sachin's mind would be filled with the sadness and relief. Sadness at the thought of finally the relief of tension. Sachin's mind would be filled with the sadness and relief. Sadness at the thought of finally hanging up the boots and never again doing what he loved so much. He thought of improvement was in mind. The only thing he could discuss about his brother was what he could have done to not get out. Thank you so much.